So I actually see quite a few pitfalls when it comes to DIY estate planning versus going with a professional. The first pitfall I see comes from word of mouth between friends and neighbors, where I have clients that come in and say, well, my neighbor said he or she had a will that worked out for their situation. It was quick, it was easy, and I want the same thing. Well, that assumes that your situation is the exact same as your neighbor's, which that is not always the case. The other thing that word of mouth does is it gives preconceived notions about what estate plan documents you need and also what other options there are. Because although people do come to see me about, oh, hey, I want to do an estate plan, a lot of times they come in saying, oh, I just want a will. Well, I can't say that would be the best situation for you unless I know the whole story. And more often than not, when I have clients that come in and they say, hey, I want a will, turns out they actually need a lot more than just that, or it doesn't fit their situation. And on a rare occasion, it is sometimes just a will. But you get a lot of preconceived notions, a lot where it's, oh, hey, this worked for them, so it should also work for me. Another thing to keep in mind about DIYing is, say you go online and you find a power of attorney or a patient advocate. A lot of those documents you'll find online will be general forms that are more or less a catch-all that could potentially work in all 50 states, which, okay, they might be able to do that, but each state has their own specific laws for estate planning and documents, such as what it takes to execute a document. Some states require just a notary, others say there has to be 2 witnesses. And if you got it online and you just have one but not the other, and your new state's law says something different, or then guess what? It doesn't get upheld, and turns out you were better off doing something else instead of wasting your time trying to DIY. You can reach me in my office by calling us up or at nick@dellenbushRyanLaw.com.